Hey guys, what's up? I'm now doing a review of the Osmo Pocket holder, and as we all know, we struggle to keep the phone and the Osmo together. It keeps on, falling down. So thanks to Thingiverse user Benito 2K for making this model, and I was able to print it in like 6 hours 22 minutes. So basically this is how it works. You just need to put your Osmo like this and the phone, and you just need to lock it like this. So it's gonna be sturdy, and you need to put 1/4 nut here so you can put it on a tripod or whatever universal tripod you have. It's for me it's kind of helpful, especially if you want to have a bigger screen on your Osmo, and it's kind of sturdy, and I think it's gonna work on most mobile phone because you can adjust the height using the lever. So basically I printed all of these all together. So these are the parts. So this one, and this one. So it's 3 parts. I printed them all together in the bed of the 3D printer. So I use ABS plastic here, 20% infill with support. So that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you.